Welcome to the King Suites at the V Hotel Curio by Hilton here in Dubai. Let me take you through, because this is quite a special room. So we're going to start off here in the hallway. First of all, you've got 3 wardrobes just to open up here. Lots and lots of hanging space, some free slippers down at the bottom. You've also got a safe, Quran, and also a shoe mitt and a shoe horn, and also some details if you wanted to do laundry. You know, the boring stuff. And then here we've also got an ironing board. That's the hallway. Let me take you through. We'll quickly show you the kitchenette area. So we've got a fridge in here. You've got the kettle, 2 waters, a coffee machine, tea, coffee, sugars, 2 normal glasses, 2 wine glasses, which then brings you into the boudoir. So you've got the big telly here on your left hand side, your desk area, a chair, little area if you want to store stuff in, and a keyboard.
Cool light.
Phone on this side, you've also got a phone by the bed and a clock. Massive, I'm going to say Super King, but it could even be bigger than that. I don't know. Oh no. The view, you can, just in the distance there, you can see the palm. So yeah, this is the living area. You've got a little space at the side here if you want a sofa, a little lounge. So, bathroom, you have a massive egg-shaped bath.
You love a big bath, don't you?
Love a big bath. It doesn't look like it's got any air jets, it's just a bath.
Boo.
So you've got your robe, you've got towels, you've got your shampoos, conditioners, body wash, and over to this side you've got your glow-up sink, which makes it look all mysterious and magical. You've also got some hand soap, a shower cap, vanity kit, dental kit, shaving kit, and then something that is never ever used in a hotel room, the shaver outlet, air dryer and scales, your shower with a rainfall shower head, and then coming in here you've got your toilet, your bidet, just in case you need to ring somebody whilst you're on the toilet, and also a big mirror to be able to get ready with your face. We have also, when we had our luggage delivered, the porter says to us, I'll open up the mega room for you. And we were like, what are you talking about?
Why is he opening up the room? We're not supposed to have another room. We've got a king suite.
I was like, let's see what happens. He opened up in here.
And we got a shock.
So basically, we're calling this the bar, or the party room.
Hello, would you like some Mountain Dew?
I would love a Mountain Dew, thank you very much.
Thank you, bartender.
You
Thank you very
Would
much.
you like some as well?
In a minute, thank you.
So yeah, so basically in here you have a big TV, loads of sofas and tables, and then this is designed for basically your bar setup along with a sound system. You can plug your sound system in the back if you want to.
He said it's got a mega sound
A
system.
mega sound system.
I think looking at the ceiling though, there is like speakers
I'm going to say,
all the way through the ceiling.
and a couple in the mid-30s with a 7-year-old is not going to make use of that mega sound system this evening. But I believe it's soundproof, and that's also good when you've got a 7-year-old child. Isn't it?
Going at max volume. Yay!
So yeah, that's it. We asked what the room was called. He basically said it.
Nope, pause. You've missed a room. There's another room in here.
The room that I just showed you a second ago is duplicated on the opposite side.
Through that door, which he says technically we could have if we wanted to, but there's probably no point in us doing it.
No. So basically, you can have everyone congregate here, and if you want to then have your separate living areas, you can do that as well.
I think it's literally for a big party. I'm
Yeah.
guessing like hen parties and stuff like that,
If you
and
want people
stags.
coming into your room to go to the toilet, and then basically there's another toilet in there. If you want to be able to do that. So yeah, we asked him what the room was called because we couldn't really make sense of it. We weren't too sure what you needed to do to book it, and he basically said it's the grand suite with mega.
Yep.
Fair enough.
So we are staying in the grand suite with mega.
If you need that.
I tell you what, it's a mint room, and we're definitely not going to make the most of it. But
Right, catch you later.